Lincoln County in southeastern Minnesota, east central Rice County in south central Minnesota, until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Farmington, or 12 miles northeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southern Dakota. Goodview and northeast Rice County's expected hazards include baseball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured.
Down!
Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cannon Falls around 3:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Northfield, Stanton, and Nerstrand. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Goodview, Minnesota.
Damn, that was unexpected.
WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency.
That was unexpected.